Hey everyone, it's Crystal here in the AAFE Training Center. Today I have the beautiful Julia in my chair and we are going to be doing some brow lifting threads on her. So her end goal is to have kind of that foxtail lift, which has been going around recently. It's becoming more and more popular, and what that means is basically lifting just the tail of the brow to give a more straight across appearance to the brow as opposed to having a high arch. So we're going to start our insertion site right at the tail of the brow and kind of put two threads. I kind of have it V'd up in a way just to kind of give double the lift, double the strength in this area. And then we will kind of reverse pull back to really help lift this brow as much as we can. You'll see I also have some other markings on her face as well. So these two lines are going to be the borders that I'm going to be staying within when treating her frontalis with her neurotoxin treatment. So normally we tell you don't do this. We want you to treat all the way from lateral border to lateral border. Typically it's where that temporal crest is or where that activity kind of stops. So go ahead, raise your eyebrows as much as you can. You can see she's got activity past this line. So what we're doing is actually purposefully spocking her, meaning leaving this lateral portion of each side of the frontalis active. Therefore, we don't have any kind of resistance working against the lift we're trying to achieve. So we will treat her centrally in her frontalis, leave the lateral aspects active, and that'll help with lifting the brow. Also, we're going to do a little bit of a Botox brow lift right into the tail of the brow and treat her crow's feet pretty aggressively because we know this muscle is a depressor. So if we relax it, it's gonna also help lift. So we're doing everything we can to really help give her the biggest lift that she wants. So stay tuned to see the procedures coming up.